guys, and welcome or welcome back. This is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, and I am Jeannie. Today I am here with the second BoxyCharm pop-up order that has arrived. So I have 6 orders total, and this is the second one to make it to the house. I do have another one on the way. This is another one of my smaller orders. I wish they would get to my big orders, but in the meantime, they're keeping me distracted with little things coming in, so I'm happy for that. I mean, you really cannot beat the sales when it comes to the BoxyCharm pop-up sales. I really wanted to make a look with the items in the box on camera, but time did not allow that today. I had a really crazy day. We lost power in the middle of the night last night, and it didn't end up coming on until late afternoon today. So it was crazy. The kids have been crazy, and just like a whole situation. And I ended up going to the mall with my mom for a while. But let's just go ahead and jump into the goodies that I got in the box. So first and foremost, the eyeshadow that I have on right now, I did make the look with this. This is from Lime Crime, and it is the, I believe it's like the Venus 3. Super cute packaging with the Lime Crime. And this is what it looks like. So really, really pretty. I did make this look, and I am literally obsessed with it. I love my Lime Crime palettes. I really should pull them out more. Every single one that I have, I absolutely love. And then I kind of like forget about them. We get new things, and the old gems get put aside, and we get caught up in all of the new things. But this is a really great palette. I have not owned this one, and I'm super happy with. I used 3 colors for this look. I used this pink color, the purple color to deepen the outer corners, and then this color here for the shimmer. And I love the way it turned out. Super simple, but super vibrant and pretty. So that was a really good purchase as far as I'm concerned. Now, the next product, I have not ever used anything from this brand. It is Kenya Ontiveros. And I do know, I remember that I believe it retailed for about $45, and I was able to pick it up for $5 or $6. And this is the Blush and Shine Kit. It doesn't have a mirror, but the colors are really pretty. I also do have this on right now. I have this darker color here, and then the highlight as well. I think it turned out really pretty. I just don't think that this is really my color. I wanted it to work. I wanted to make it work, but pinks are really what really looks good on me. Like, I don't think it looks bad or anything, but they went on the skin really, really nicely. The highlight was absolutely stunning, and I love my highlights. So I'm really happy with this. It kind of, the formula did feel high-end-ish. So I like that. I definitely wanted to try it, being that I didn't have anything from that line in my collection. So I definitely am a makeup collector. So I'm happy to add it into my collection. Now, last time we talked about my obsession with Pure's Barbie line. So I did say that they had the glosses, and I got a couple of those. So I was showing you guys last time, this is what I have left of the Girl Gloss. You can see that quite a bit of it is gone. I use it all the time. I love it. It smells like sugar cookies or cupcakes, and it just gives such a beautiful gloss over the lip. So I got another one of those. Again, the packaging is super, super cute. And then I also, so this is the Girl Gloss, and then they also have the Boss Gloss, which is pink with kind of gold reflex in it. Same packaging, but just different shades. So I love these. I literally wear the one that I have almost every day. It's kind of like my everyday go-to gloss. So I definitely wanted to pick some up on sale while I could, of course. And then this is something that I had not tried from the Barbie line. It is the Pure Barbie Magical Eyes, and it does come with the mascara and the eyelash primer. So I did use it and I was actually really impressed. But then again, I really love Pure's mascara. I love the Fully Charged. There's a couple other ones that I have tried that I've really liked. I don't think that I've tried any of their mascara that I didn't like. So I really shouldn't be too surprised that I am absolutely in love with this. I felt like the primer went on really nicely. Sometimes, for whatever reason, primers, I just don't like them that much. But this one I really liked. This is what the wand looks like. And it seemed to go on non-clumpy and coat my lashes really, really nicely. And then the mascara part went over it beautifully. I was like really, really happy. I think my lashes look really good. It almost looked like I had falsies on. But then again, I've also been using lash enhancer serum every night for, I don't know, maybe the last month or so. And I definitely do see a difference in the thickness and the length of my lashes. So I am definitely going to continue using that. I have been using Lash MD. That was actually sent to me through one of my subscribers. She sent me a huge box of friend mail. She ended up winning one of my giveaways and then sent me back a box of goodies. It was so sweet of her. Such amazing products. And she sent me the Lash MD. I've been using it. Absolutely love it. Definitely see a difference. And then when that runs out, I chose the Dr. Lily Fan Lash Enhancer in the last BoxyCharm. So I have that. I haven't opened it because I'm going to use up the one I'm using first. But yeah, so I definitely see a difference from that. I would definitely recommend trying it. And then the next two items are from Lorac. Now, these are the eyebrow pencils. They're the Precision Brow pencil. One of them is in neutral blonde and one of them is in light ash blonde. These go for $23 a piece, and I was able to pick them up for $3 a piece on the BoxyCharm pop-up sale. So I mean, like, for $3 a piece, you really can't go wrong. I have mentioned before, I always struggle with brow products. I have a really hard time finding colors that match me right because I'm so weird. Like, I'm technically a really, really, really dark brunette, but I like to go blonde. And my eyebrows are that of like a natural blonde. They're very light and sparse. They don't match my natural hair. So it's very bizarre trying to like eyebrow match. I don't know. I just have the hardest time. One product that I have tried that I really, really do like is from Shella Beauty. I ended up getting the whole brow kit through a BoxyCharm add-on sale or pop-up sale. I don't know. One of the sales, it wasn't this recent one, but it was one a few months ago. And I absolutely love it, but they're a little bit pricey. The whole kit was like $100, but of course I didn't pay that because I got it through the BoxyCharm, but I did fall in love with that product. It works really, really well for me. I use the shade Beautiful Blonde, and I just have had really good luck with that. I do know that you can get their pencils separately for like $20 on their site. You don't have to buy the whole kit. But I also do have a code. Genie15 will save you over on Shella Beauty website if anybody is interested. I don't want to be pushy with my affiliate links or anything like that, but if you're ever going to shop over there, you might as well save some money. They've got some really pretty palettes and they do have really great eyebrow products as well. So I tried out the Ash Blonde and I do like it. I'm not 100% sure if I like it better than the Shella. But they're different styles. These are kind of like the angled tip where the Shella is like a really, really fine, here's my Shella right here. It's in the top because I use it all the time. It's a super fine point, and this one is kind of the thicker angled point, but the color worked out really nice. So I will definitely get some use out of them. I'm always in the market for, you know, trying to find the next best thing that's going to work beautifully for me. And for $3 a piece for a $23 item, I mean, yeah, why not? So that is it for this box, guys. I do have another one on the way. The one that is on the way is one of my bigger orders. It's not my biggest order, but it's like the second biggest order. So altogether, I have 4 more orders that will be coming. And this is like the one that's on the way is like the second to largest. So I'm really excited to get it. I'm most excited to get that first big order, but they'll all be here at some point, right? We just have to be patient. And with prices at, I mean, the price point that we're able to get these products on the BoxyCharm pop-up sale, I'm really not complaining. I just need to learn how to be patient. So, But that's all I got for you guys right now. I will see you guys soon in my next video. I'm actually going to hop off and then hop right back on because I do have something I want to talk about, and I want your guys' opinion on something regarding my giveaways for after the August giveaway. We're going to talk about if we should make changes or if we should keep everything just the same the way it is. And I definitely want your input because you guys are going to choose how it's going to go. So I'm going to hop off now and then hop back on, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.